This video is about the lack of a fully automatic timer mode on some Vestel cooker ovens. You might say, well, I've never seen a Vestel appliance anyway. Well, they're frequently rebadged as own brands, or even some brands you've heard of but don't actually manufacture their own cookers. This is badged as a Sharp, but inside the door we'll see on the specification plate it clearly says they're Vestel. Same with a Kenwood I was looking at, it's actually a Vestel. So we're going to look at this timer module here, and we see we've got two different ones here. One installed in the cooker and one lashed up on top. On the face of it, the only difference is the symbol at the bottom left of the display. The top one has a padlock and the bottom one has a key. Oh, and also there's no leading zero on the clock, I've just noticed. Anyway, but their timers feature differently. The top one is the one that was installed in this cooker that I bought a couple of weeks ago, and the bottom one is off of a part that I bought on eBay, hoping it would have the feature, and they are indeed different. So I checked before I bought the cooker that it has a fully automatic programmable timer for the oven, and the manual said that it did. And what happens is, right, you press the middle button, these are like touch sensitive pads, and it goes into the menu and unlocks it. So the first one is a minute minder, and it locks itself if you don't touch things quick enough. Then the second, you've got the duration of cooking. Thirdly, you've got the end time, and then you go back to the clock again. So by setting the duration and end time, you can fully automatically program your oven. On the other hand, this module, which looks almost the same, we look in the menus of that. We've again got the minute minder. We've got duration, we've got an extra symbol at the top there, but otherwise similar. Then we're back to the minute minder again. So we've got clock, minute minder, duration, but no end time. So why on earth have they removed this feature? The PDF's been changed. The manual has been changed. The PDF, it describes the feature. The printed manual in the oven doesn't have it. So I wonder why they've removed this feature, and it's missing from so many ovens these days. Like AEG's I was looking at, no end time, and Kenwood, which was a dual fuel with a gas hob and a electric oven, and that would actually use the same module as this. So it's really weird why this has been removed. Is it a country that's legislated against it? Is it concerned about bacteria in food in the oven if you leave it in there all day before it starts cooking? Is it a safety concern about leaving the appliance unattended while you're using it, which is a bit weird since this induction hob has a timer feature on it, which seems very pointless really. Anyway, any comments on why cooker manufacturers are removing fully automatic programmable timers will be appreciated. And by the way, don't do this sort of thing unless you know what you're doing with live electrics floating around the room. Thanks for watching.